Hello traders, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 7 of using 50,000 capital for 50 trading days. So coming to today's trade, what I did early morning, as we saw there was a gap down in the Nifty, and Nifty had retested almost like 19,750 on a daily time frame, 19,370 on daily time frame basis. If you see, there was a lot of confluence around like 19,380 to 19,360. There were multiple support zones. So initially early morning, when I waited for this candle to settle, and then I made started making an entry in 19,400 call. If you see here, this first two lots which is there, that I sold the puts early morning at 9:16 and 9:15. This however is in a different trade. If you come to the option buying trade, if you see here, like 19,400, first of all I bought around at 9:17. I bought two lots, and again at 9:20 I bought another two lots, around like 61 and 66 rupees. So by the time then, there was a, in the Nifty, if you go here, there was a pullback till around like 19,405. The premium has increased however there. But if you see in the next candle over here at like 19 around 9:30, so we saw like Nifty forming a double bottom at at this zone, like 19,375. It had taken support at 19,375, and again at 9:30 it took around similar, at the similar spot it took a support there. So hence I started again making an entry at like 9:31, 9:37. So then even I had bought 200, 200, and 100 and 200 overall. So if you see, I had an overall 700 quantities. And if you calculate this overall cumulatively, the average price comes around, I had already calculated over here. If you see, let me show you the calculator wherein I calculated my average price. It was 56.9 rupees. Overall, if I add over all these quantities, it is comes around 56.9 rupees. And then I made around exit at 61 rupees with 700. So the capital that I use for today's trade is around like into, I'll do multiplication 700. So the capital that I used for the trade was 39,000 rupees for that, this trade, the first trade which I took over here. And the trailing stop loss was it. The overall profit that I was able to make from this trade was around like 19,350 call. If you see all this 19,400 call, sorry, 19,400 call, I was able to make 3,200 rupees order overall. So the capital that I used, for this trade was around 39,000, and I was able to make around 7 to 8% from the capital that I invested. So however, and then again I re-entered in 19,350 call. In Let me tell you exact timing where did I enter. If you see here, 19,350 call, I bought 300 quantities at like 12:35, and I exited at 12:47. And the trailing stop loss I had, it like it was a quick trade, and that not that much of an interesting trade, to be frank. The premium was trading around 62 to 63 rupees, but I had kept a trailing stop loss. Hence I had, like I exited, because the Nifty was kind of taking multiple sideways zone. If you see here, 12:35 Nifty, if you see at 12:35 was around like somewhere here, the low, and Nifty was trading around 346, and there was a lot of consolidation in this zone. So hence, tomorrow being an expiry, I didn't wanted to hold it because there will be a lot of decay factor. However, that premium went on to 90 rupees, 90 plus rupees at the end of the, like towards the end of the day. So that's it for the video. In this capital, if you see the capital that I use for this second trade, 300 into 50 rupees, if you make it, is around like 15,000 rupees overall. So I was able to make around like, if you see, for 19,350 call, I was able to make around 1,000 rupees. So from this trade, today's both of the trade, I was able to make around 4k profit. So that's it for the day 7. I will let you know about the upcoming trades, and will update you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.